Well, hello there, and thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here at Punta Gorda. I actually think they call it Punta Gorda. Probably figure out how it's spelled. I'm here at Manatee Park, which is pretty cool. And they're having a big festival here. I think it's seafood and music, something like that. But Manatee Park has got this. It's all dedicated to veterans. Of course, I'm a vet. And they've also got a replica of this. You see that? That would be the Vietnam Memorial Wall. My guess is it's an exact replica. I will say it's not nearly the size of the one in DC because I've been to the one in DC, and it's a whole lot taller than about twice the size. But it might have the same name, it's just smaller. But it's the same kind of depiction. The one in DC does the same thing. It kind of goes down the hill just a little bit and then back up. I think it sits in more of a corner too. But we'll go check out this festival. Come along with me because you just entered the Coolest Life. There's lots of arts and crafts things for sale. People are selling lotions and barbecue sauce and things like that up that way. We're around that big bar area. Huge tent. And of course you can hear the band, I would think. Live band playing right over there. We got a nice little table here. Somewhere that's free. Well, except for the beer. The beer's like $7. But we got Bloody Marys, all kinds of mixed drinks. Definitely crowded place. Yeah, so this all started as a seafood and music festival, and it's more than just seafood now, that's for sure. Ah, what's that chair? A little bizarre. Looks like it may fold up, I don't know. Swinging chairs. That's a big one there, you don't see those very often. It's the big swinging chairs. All cool stuff. It's the Manatee Park, and they got the got a big viewing area here. We just came from that one down there, and they're popping up everywhere. There's some right out there. There's some bunch of them as the water comes out here. You can see them popping up over here, and then they get down in that corner there too. And they don't have to swim quite as much, I think. And you can hear them blow like a blowhole, but of course it's coming out of their nose. It's pretty cool. Can't really see them underneath the water though. The water is just a little dark. One of the great things about traveling like this and doing different things is being able to spend it with someone you care about, like those two. There's a bunch of them out here coming into this cove. I don't know why this is just a way for them, I think, to get out of the current, because with that water rushing by at the other place, it's not fast, but it's still a current. Here they can just stop swimming.
The black tar makes the water warmer. Maybe that's why I can't see.
Yeah. So this is the other end. See, they got a sign there, so no trespassing. So they don't want boaters. You might go in that way. That's the way up close to the water where the water is so warm. But you can take your kayak out here, and there's people that actually live out here, and there's some in the water right there. Next time we come here, we're gonna be in a kayak, or so is the goal. There's some blowing up way over there too. Definitely all over the place. I don't know if coming when it's a little cooler outside or not is better. I think it's about 68 out here now.